how to manage memory in QWEN AI. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and short tutorial. In this simple tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can manage the memories or the saved memory snippets in your Mythos AI. So for that, without wasting much time, let's head on to the chat.qwen.ai, which is the official address for the QWEN Studio. Now here you will find your workspace like this. So in order to manage memory, click over to your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen and then click on settings. Now within the settings, click onto this personalization option, and within personalization, click onto this manage button just besides memory. Once you will click this, you will see all of the memories which have been currently saved. So as you can see, I do not have any particular memory point saved, but in your case, if you have any memory saved, you can access the same. So for example, let us try to add any particular memory. So for example, let's ask it to memorize I like Padiro. So I'll simply send it. I'm doing this so that we can actually have a more memory pointer to work upon. I did save some memories last time, but I don't see them right here in my manage tab. Okay, now they have reflected. Okay, so it could be a little slow sometimes. So you can see all of the memory pointers which are saved here from my previous videos, like the username is Mythos and Mythos like Apple. Now, if you wish to delete them, you can simply click onto this forget button, and unfortunately, that's the only operation that you can do is to simply delete any particular memory. And you can see it is ask if you wish to forget this. You can simply click onto this forget button and it will be clear. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.